Another shocking case in the courtroom. In this eye-opening session, Judge Fleischer takes a stand against racial profiling and weak prosecution. Sherman Pierce, accused of criminal mischief and felony retaliation, finds himself in court with no real evidence against him, just the word of a neighbor who assumed he was guilty. But Judge Fleischer isn't buying it. As the case unfolds, he calls out the lack of probable cause and exposes a serious flaw in the justice system. Was this just a misunderstanding or an example of racial bias in policing? Watch as the judge delivers a powerful ruling and ensures justice is served. You don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned for the full courtroom moment.
Oh, have him come. Oh, sorry.
Counsel, come
Mr.
on.
Vera, come on up around here. Morning again, Judge.
I'm approaching on Sherman Pierce. I wanted to see if the court was willing to lower bond. So he picked up a felony retaliation. Felony court said his bond at $3,000, but his bond is right now $5,000 on criminal mischief over a broken window.
Great state of Texas. What's your position?
Yeah.
So he picks up a mischief and a retaliation. Is it retaliation? He threatens he threatens someone?
He has a neighbor.
That's a retaliation?
He has a neighbor, and it's based on the neighbor saying he knew it must have been him. Didn't see him do it. Just knows when the window's broken because him and his neighbor have bad blood.
Well, so do you think there's PC?
I think it's the retaliation. They certainly have him on PC, but it would be.
Well, let's do. Hey, you going? Do you mind bringing out Mr. Pierce, please? Thanks. Let me bring him out. We'll do probable cause for this. You ready?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Can I do this plea while they're bringing him out? Real quick? Come on. All right, coming up, Mr. Pierce.
Yes, sir.
Come on up. How are you? So you're a lawyer. I'm bringing you out now. You are charged with criminal mischief, right?
Yes, sir.
There's a question about whether there's probable cause to go forward with the case. We're going to do that right now.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On March 9th, 2025, Officer dispatched to 6615 Conley Street in Houston, Texas, in Harris County, regarding a criminal mischief investigation. The complainant and the complainant's wife had known the defendant for around 20 years. The complainant heard a loud crash outside and believed that it was the defendant because the defendant broke into the complainant's car the day before. The complainant went outside and saw the defendant riding his bike on the street and observed his front window to be broken and a large rock the size of a baseball found inside. The defendant told the complainant that he was going to get gasoline and set the house on fire. And the defendant was identified by his Texas driver's license. The officer searched the area for the defendant and observed the defendant near his listed address and placed him in handcuffs. The defendant told the officer that
You just put him in handcuffs. Let me just put him in handcuffs. He's riding his bike while black. Any kind of evidence to show that he did it?
Your Honor, the defendant identified him as the retaining as we were further in the investigation.
He didn't see him do it. No?
They did not observe him doing it.
No. All right. I'm going to find no probable cause in your case, sir. Okay?
Thanks, Judge.
Mr. Pierce.
This gets dismissed. He's still got no.
Mr. Pierce.
So,
No, just be careful, man. Life's too short to spend it in a 6-month.
5-year-old mother I take care of, right? My brother just got shot. My grandmother passed. Man, I've been doing everything right. I got on feet. I changed my life.
Probable cause. And you still got the felony case that's holding you upstairs, so I can't get you out today. You don't have a case going with forward with us, but
They say my bond was 500, right? I can post bond.
You just got your case dismissed. You have no bond on this one at all. So now you
Get
just
out.
have the felony. You just have the felony. This one's no PC. Okay.
Mr. Morrison, you're going to get out today
Yes, sir.
because you've made bond on your felony case,
Thank you.
and I found no PC on this case today.
Thank you.
But stay in touch with your lawyer and be good.
Thank you.
Be good. It's not hard.
Thank
Nice.
you.
Okay, Mr. Pierce. Good luck to you.
Yes, sir.
You too.
Thank you.
This was the one where he was in custody and we weren't able to get his. They sent him down before we can get him to sign bond.
Right. Hey, Mr. Morrison. Mr. Morrison. If you ever feel like there's no probable cause on something, bring it to our attention. We'll do PC anytime. Just, you know, yeah, it's not a big deal. You know, we get people that come up and do PC 2, 3, 4 different times. Just really, yeah. So good. Good job, man.